The LG20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Power for Boost Mobile. So the Moto G Power is not at Boost Mobile. This is a new phone for Boost Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. It's currently on sale. $10 off, so the first retail price is $169.99 for this one. So not too bad there. But if you guys want to get extra 15% off this one, you guys can type in 15 Android 2021 at checkout, and you guys will get this one 15% off. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out now. So you added the card here. Check out the card. Then you guys will see the phone right there. So you put in the promo code, which is 15 Android 2021. So you type in the promo code right there, and you guys hit apply. You have to hit apply first. So with the 15% off this phone gets dropped down to $84.99. So that's a pretty cool deal there. So definitely worth the 15% off. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, that's pretty cool there. So the phone right now is $99.99, but if you guys want to get this phone 15% off, it's $84.99. So not too bad there. It doesn't matter what you pay for. If you pay $120 for it, I think it's still worth it in my opinion. So yeah, the promo code does work. I don't know how long it's been available for, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check it out. So there's the Moto G Power. You guys will have your whole points for front facing camera. Earpiece up here. Power and button keys on the right side of the phone there. Your power button's right there. It's kind of indented in the phone there. So yeah, nice looking phone. So yeah, here's the back of the Moto G Power. This does have 3 cameras in the back with LED flash. Yeah, you have a 48 megapixel main camera. You have a Moto logo, and it looks like you have like a textured back as well. So pretty nice. There's the right side of the phone, like I said, button keys, power button. No, they done it. This is your fingerprint sensor as well, right there. So pretty cool. There's nothing else on the right side of the phone there. There's the back of the phone again. Right side, like I said, power and main keys. The left side will have your SIM card and micro SD card slot on the left. So yeah. So it says one longer battery life and gorgeous photos. Get Moto G Power with its 5,000 mAh battery. You can go up to 3 days when it's on charge. And Moto G Power packs a 48 megapixel triple camera system, so you can capture stunning images in the light. How about a better view? Watch games, movies, and video chats on an ultra wide 6.6 inch screen. Want to capture more of life? You got it. So this is compatible with the T-Mobile expanded network. So that is pretty nice. So quick specs on this one: 6.6 inch display, 48 megapixel triple wide camera in the back, 48 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of storage, and you have Android 10 on board. And of course, how it works is a order today. Wait for your friend to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Pretty simple with it. Says up to 3 days of battery life. Says go the whole weekend and then some without stopping to recharge with a massive 5,000 mAh battery. You get up to 3 days of battery life. Watch videos for 20 hours. Browse your favorite websites for 17 hours and catch up with friends on social media for 19 hours. Power to the picture. Get stunning results in 8-minute race. Tandem lighting with a 48 megapixel triple camera system. Take sharper, brighter pictures in low light settings thanks to quad pixel technology. Capture incredible close-ups details with the macro vision camera and turn everyday photos into professional portraits using the depth sensor. So that is pretty cool. Widescreen for the room. Bring shows, movies, games, and video chats to life on an ultra-wide screen. The 6.6-inch Max Vision HD Plus display features a large screen to body proportion, so you can see more, play more, and enjoy more. So, not too bad. The screen is 720p though, so not terrible. So it's the screen share is still pretty decent. So, yeah. So we get the lifetime behind energy powered phones instantly, so you can get more done with the AI capabilities of the speedy Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, and you can experience smoother games and videos with even more vivid graphics, so you can edit and share your photos in a snap. Also using 4 GB of RAM, so you can keep multiple apps open and move effortlessly between them. Water repellent, waterproof, never let spills or splashes get in your way, whether you are going for a run or taking a call in the winter. A water repellent design keeps your phone protected from accidents and the elements. The Moto G Power is not waterproof, so do keep it in mind. Your phone. With modern UIs, your phone works the way you want. Control it with simple gestures. Customize your entertainment settings and create a look that's one in a million. The new My X is on you. Always by your side. Never mind the password. Just use a fingerprint to unlock your phone. The combined power button / fingerprint reader is located on the side of the device. This is the right side. So unlocking it is completely natural. A quick double tap opens a shortcut menu that launches your favorite apps as a snap. Android 10, of course, pretty good. So this is about to be 2 versions behind, but still pretty good on a budget phone like this. From new ways to control your privacy, location, battery life, and more. Get all the latest features, improvements, and new controls in Android 10. Up when you want it. Mexico when you're capable, so that's pretty cool. So you can use it from Mexico. But a plane airline is required for that, so stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. But you do need a plane airline for that to work. Also has voice running capable as well, so keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the base network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice running. Mobile hotspot capable, of course. Don't get stuck on an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for unlimited access rates per plan. Alright. Specs in here are pretty good. I mean, it's not bad for $100, you know. It's better than nothing, you know. So you get a massive 5,000 mAh battery, 48 hours of talk time. Battery is not removable, of course. 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of RAM, with micro SD card expansion up to 512 GB. Snapdragon 662 processor. I don't know why this setting says 665. I don't know. Android 10, of course. 48 megapixel triple rear camera system. 16 megapixel front-facing camera. 6.6-inch Max Vision display. Your dimensions are 6.30 inches in height, 2.98 inches in width, and 0.38 inches in depth. The Moto G Power weighs a massive 7.2 ounces, so it's a bit hefty, so yeah. Your connectivity options are Wi-Fi 802.11, ABG and an AC, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice to have. And what's included in the box? Agent energy power, USB-C cable, legal insert, I'm not sure what that is, transparent clean, I'm not sure what the fuck that is either, 10-watt charger, SIM removal tool, and your SIM card. So that's what you guys get in the box for this one here. So nothing really special about it there. If you guys need help with some energy power, Boost Mobile has you covered with that. So I want to know everything there is to know about this one. Done everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The energy power is not heard at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. It's currently on sale. So if you guys use the promo code 15 Android 2021, you guys get this one 15% off, making it $84.99. But use that code quickly because I don't know when it will expire. So yeah. So if you guys watch this video later down the road, the code might not work later on. But yeah, but if you pay $100 for it or $110 for it, I think it's still worth it in my personal opinion. So yeah. Do you guys have the energy power? It's not hard at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.